Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can create the line chart. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. Okay, so let me check here if okay. So here in templates you can see the lots of templates for line chart. So take any one. Okay, so this is my line chart. If I double click on it, then customization will become here, or you can simply select the chart or click on edit. Okay, then you able to edit this chart. Okay, the second method is, this is the first method, you can simply search for templates line chart. Or second method is go to the create, take your templates like presentations, and under the design we have the blank page. Here we have the option called app. Under the app you can see that chart option. Okay, or you can simply search here chart, then this option will be visible. Just click on it. Now you can see the all types of chart or graphs. So we have this line chart. So we have two types of chart here, line chart, or here we have the second, like another option, come to the elements or search for charts, and you have seen here lots of chart like line chart and all. Okay, we have two line chart here. Okay, in this option, so just take this one. Okay, we have to this chart inserted. So just click on it, go to the edit. Here you can see the customization option. Here the data, this is the label, this is our label, this is the range, this is series 1. The color of series 1 you can change, so it's like very similar. So go here and change the colors, so it will be simplified to identify. Okay, so now we have three color for three series. Okay, so this is the numbers. In first series it is 0, in then is 12, then is 38, then is 30. Okay, so this is the series. Okay, so this is a label you can change, like uh, label what you show. Okay, this is a series, this is series 2 or series 3, or you can select all, like item 1, item 3. Okay, so here I need to select that item only, and here we have selected 1 2 3 4, all series. Okay, this is our series. We can change the range of series, like here. Okay, in customization we have the option that we can minimize, maximize that series name. Axis level also you can hide or unhide. You can give the title, you can give subtitle. Here the source, you can minimize that chart, line chart, like this. Okay, here we have x axis name and the y axis name, and this is a minimum maximum range. We have minimum 0 and maximum 50, so you can keep minimum 0, or you can change maximum from 50 to 100. Okay, so it has changed. And under the data you can import data from your excel sheet, or your upload your this file type, like excel sv file, csv file, or tsv file. Okay, you can upload it, or you can simply take the data from google sheet. Okay, if you're first time connected, just click on the google sheet icon, then you need to give some permission to connect canva to google drive. Then all the okay, then once you connect it, then once you click on this sheet again, then the canva will take you the directly on the google sheet option, where you can see all your google drive sheet here at your left side. So I have only one sheet here, so I just recently uploaded it. So this one sheet, just select it. Now you can see the canva automatically select your all data, okay, or table on your google sheet, from your google sheet, or you can simply select manually like this and then done. then data will be import. So we have only one data, so it will select only the we have month and the range. So this is a line chart showing only range, and this is a label. Okay, there is a refresh data option here. So when you update any data in that Google Sheet in Google Drive, so come here and refresh the data, then it will be updated here automatically. So customization data I have show you, and here you can change that line color. Here you can change that padding of this column, sorry, that chart line. Here you can select the style of that line. Here you can change the line width, and here you can change that marker size. Okay, this is our marker, Jan, Feb, whatever. Okay, after that you can simply download as a PDF or download as a go to the download and download as a that pptx or PDF file. Okay, PPT file or PDF file, and download it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.